Here's a 2016 Toyota Highlander. Life is hectic enough. Make the journey smoother in this Highlander. It was built for families and made for fun. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. V6 engine, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, manual telescoping steering column, power heated mirrors, N-Tune external memory control, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth, and automatic transmission. Of the Highlander, Motor Trend remarks, cabin emphasizes functionality and is geared towards families with its adjustable seating arrangements, 60/40 split second row seats, and a large center console bin. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
At Westchester Toyota Scion, located near Westchester, New York, and our Westchester Toyota Scion website. Call, click, or stop in today.